What's going on, guys? It's Eric from Peak Performance, and today we're doing a quick animal workout. So it's going to take you about 12 minutes. You're going to do 30 seconds of work, 15 seconds rest, and it's all going to be animal style stuff. So you'll be working your whole body. So without anything else, let's get straight into it. We've got a 10-second countdown. The first exercise is a bear crawl. So you come down on your hands and feet, and you step forward with alternating hands and legs. Keep your body nice and low. And then go a little bit, if you've got a little bit of space, turn around and then crawl backwards. Keep your body nice and low. Keep your abs tense. And just go. It's only 30 seconds, it's not too long. But you can do it. 5 seconds, keep going. So that's your first set done, your first movement, which was bear crawl. The next one we're going to go into is a crab walk. So for a crab walk, all you want to do is come down, sit with your feet underneath, bring your hands up, and then walk backwards, and then come back forwards. Again, alternating hands and feet. And then back again. 5 seconds, keep going. Cool, so that's your second exercise done. Got 2 more to go through it all 4 times. So your next one is an inchworm, or can also be called as a walkout. So, you're going to start standing up straight, bend your legs down, walk yourself out, walk yourself back in, stand up, nice straight back the whole time, come out into press up position, and come back up. If you want to make this a little bit harder, guys, as you get to the end, do a press up, come back, up, down, press up, and come back. Cool, third exercise done, 1 more to go, which is called 8 jumps. So all you want to do, bring your feet nice and close, on your knuckles or your hands, this is up to you, and then literally hands forward, and then follow with your legs. Turn yourself around, and again. And you want to keep going for the whole 30 seconds. Turn yourself around, go again. And stop there. So that's your first round done. 3 more rounds to go. So, get yourself set for bear crawls again. Down on your hands and knees. Up onto your feet. Let's go. Now, if you're feeling good and feeling strong, you can always step the bear crawl back. But it's a lot harder. Your coordination has to be quite good. If not, turn yourself around and then go for it. Again, keep your body nice and low, keep your back nice and straight. Turn around and go again. And stop there. So again, the next one is a crab walk. Get yourself down, hands underneath you. Hips up, let's go. And come back. Remember, guys, you don't have to race at 1,000,000 miles an hour. As long as you're working and getting a workout, that's the main thing. And stop there. 2 more exercises to go in this round, and then we're halfway through. This is quite a good one for working your whole body. So you can see using your arms, using your legs, your abs, your back, everything. So, inchworms again. Come down, walk yourself out. If you can, press up If not, don't worry about it. Come back in, stand up, and back down. But like I said, guys, if you can't do the press up, it's not a problem. Just come out to press position, come back. Really go for it. And up. And down. And that's it, well done. One more exercise to go in this round. 8 jumps again. Now if you're at home doing this, someone walks into your living room, if you're doing an 8 jump, you might look quite silly, but at least you're getting the work done. Turn yourself around, go again. The idea of it is to always bring your hands forward, lift yourself and swing your hips forwards. The more confident you get, the quicker you can go. You just work as hard as you can. That's it. So halfway through, 2 more rounds to go. Grab yourself a drink of water if you need to. And let's get ready with bear crawls. Let's go. And again. Keep your back nice and straight the whole time and go for it. If you're feeling good, maybe try coming backwards. It's a lot harder, but you do get a good workout out of it. And stop there. So next exercise again is those crab walks. So get yourself down, hands behind you, slightly underneath your shoulders, raise your hips, and then walk. Come back. And then forward again. And back. If you guys go quicker than me, it's not a problem. If you're going slower, that's also not a problem. As long as you guys are working to the best of your abilities. And stop there. So next exercise again, inchworms. Get yourself ready. Let's go. That's it, keep going guys. Come out to press up position. And if you think you can do the press up, by all means go for it. Work yourself back in and stand up. And stop there. 15 seconds rest, and rinse those 8 jumps again. That's it guys, keep working, let's go. Let's go, 8 jumps. So this one's quite good for your upper body as you're having to balance most of your weight on your arms. So it really gives your upper body a good workout. Cool. Next exercise again. It's going into them bear crawls. So, get yourself ready. Let's go for it. Got to come forward. You can go backwards, then go. If not, it's not a problem. So guys, keep going, keep going. And stop there. 15 seconds rest, Then we go for the crab walk again. So get yourself ready, get yourself set. Let's go. Remember to keep breathing as you do it, in through your nose and out through your mouth. So guys, keep going, keep pushing, keep pushing. And stop there. So, next exercise again is your inchworms. So get yourself set, get yourself mentally ready, and let's go. Like I said before, if you can do your press up, then do it. If you can't, it's not a problem. Just make sure you do the inchworm as best as you can. Keep the abs straight, tense, sorry. Keep your back nice and straight, and go for it. And stop there. 15 seconds rest. Last exercise is the 8 jumps, and then we're finished. It's a maximum effort, guys. Give it all you got. You ready? Let's go. Turn yourself around quickly. You've only got 30 seconds. Your last exercise. Push as much as you can. Keep going, keep going. You've got 15 seconds left, halfway through. Keep pushing, keep pushing. And stop there. It's been a good animal workout. You're working for a good 12 minutes now. Go and have some well-deserved rest, and I'll see you soon.